Hey, let's say guys, so magandang gabi sa inyo ngayon. Ang oras natin is 11:20 PM. Ayan, so may bagong feature si Microsoft Edge. Sa bar nag-update si Microsoft Edge yung pang stable release. Ito si Microsoft Edge, which is the version on for 1.0.3537.57, which is the official build for 64-bit. Ito si Microsoft Edge. Ayan, so pag gusto nyo i-update yan, so you can go here sa Edge settings, and then sa pinakababa, so scroll down nyo lang dyan sa may about Microsoft Edge. Ayan, dito sa pinakababa. Tapos ito, kailangan i-update yan, kailangan mag-check yan para lumabas yung latest version niya. Tapos ito yung update notes niya, so dito you can check here. So ito yung lalabas na once na nag-update na yung Microsoft Edge nyo. So pagka-updated niya, you can check here yung mga bagong features. Ayan, which is the Copilot Vision. Browse alongside your AI companion. Copilot will see what you see and give you real-time personalized response. Open Copilot and click yung mic to experience the next wave of AI-powered browsing. Okay, so you can watch this video. So, next natin, ito pa ibang features. Which is itong si Copilot in Edge Mobile. Ayan. Edge is the AI-powered browser for a phone with Copilot built-in. You get clever features like page summary, video summary, limiter, and GPT-5 designed to help you get more done while you're on the move. You can access this QR code para ma-scan nyo dun sa phone nyo. Tapos, next, so ito pa yung pang pictures. This is smarter way to game, browse the web, access guides, chat with friends, and more seamlessly without leaving your game. Microsoft Edge Game Assist is game aware and will suggest tips and guides when you play enhanced games, helping you make the most of every session. Check natin mo din ang gulo yung ano. Okay, moving on. Which is this personalized your tab layout. Millions of people use vertical layouts in Edge as an efficient way to manage your tabs, see more tabs at once, and reduce browser clutter. So, pwede itong horizontal or vertical. So, this is the preview ng tab. Ito yun. Pagka vertical, yes, vertical din. Pag horizontal is yung default sa mga Chromium browsers yun na dito sa taas along with the URL bar. And then this is the other features. Is dito naman sa picture in picture. So this, you can watch videos while multitasking. So magtudraw yan ng mga small video player kapag gusto niyo mag-switch ng tabs para hindi ma-hibernate yung tab niyo. So magbibili ng video sa YouTube or ibang video streaming platform. Kaya lang ito ay malaki sa RAM to. So gagamit ito ng medyo siguro mga 2 to 3 gig depende na lang sa video. So yan. Which videos are multitasking? You can now open videos as picture in picture PIP. Continue watching videos anywhere on the screen while you multitask. Simply click itong icon na to. And on a video in Edge to get started. So back ulit. Next feature is this one, the scareware blocker. So your AI-powered shield against scareware attacks, scareware blocker, and Microsoft Edge is your AI-powered shield designed to protect you from scareware attacks. Once enabled, scareware blocker uses machine learning to identify and block these scams, keeping you safe as you browse the web. Enable now in your privacy settings. So this is the preview of the AI-powered shield against scareware attacks. Ayan, so may ganyan siya. And then, next natin. Next feature natin is si price tracking. This one. So we can keep track of prices and offers, receive alerts for price drops or cashback updates when shopping in Edge. Product tracking helps you stay updated, giving you the information you need to shop confidently.